Can you pull out the next book?
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Sunrise!
Whoa!
Beauty.
What's the next book?
M.
Wow, what sound does it make?
Sound.
Very good.
Not W.
Not W. It's only a W if it's upside down. What's the next letter in there?
Where's that W? I'm finding a W.
It's in there somewhere.
It's a D. D for Daddy.
Yeah, what sound does it make?
That sound.
Yeah, that's right.
Sewing.
Wait, what is that? What letter is that?
Sewing.
Sovering?
No.
What letter is this?
Aya.
No, this looks like an I, but it's actually not. What is this?
The eyes.
It's an L. See what's on it?
Ladybug.
Yeah, ladybug starts with an L. I'm not surprised you don't know that one because you can't even pronounce an L.
I say six.
Hey, what's that? What's that you got?
A bucky buck.
What letter is it?
P.
What sound does it make?
Sound.
That's right. What starts with a P? Hmm. Look. Puppy. A puppy! Puppy starts with P.
No, popcorn.
What?
Popcorn.
Popcorn. Okay, that's a good one too. You're so smart. Okay, what's the next book?
X.
Let me see. Is it really an X?
Yes.
Yeah, it is an X. Can you make the X sound? Very good.
It's for an X.
That's right. Now, can you think of a word that starts with X?
What's that? It's not X.
That's an X-ray.